Nvidia, the world's leading AI chip maker, has announced a game-changing partnership with Foxconn, the largest electronics manufacturer, to build a new generation of AI-powered data centers. How will this alliance between two tech giants transform industries from manufacturing to transportation? First, Nvidia and Foxconn are collaborating to construct specialized data centers called AI factories. These supercharged facilities will harness Nvidia's powerful AI chips, called GPUs, and software to fuel a diverse range of transformative applications. From revolutionizing factory workflows to developing autonomous robotics, AI factories will usher in the next era of digitalization across sectors. But what makes these data centers so unique? They provide the immense computing power to process colossal datasets, orchestrate complex neural networks, and generate valuable AI models at scale. This will enable businesses to infuse intelligence into their operations, products, and services. Next, Foxconn will incorporate Nvidia's breakthrough technologies into its solutions. For example, Foxconn's smart electric vehicles will tap into Nvidia Drive for self-driving capabilities. Their manufacturing robots will leverage Nvidia Isaac to enable autonomous mobility. And smart cities built by Foxconn will be able to implement Nvidia Metropolis for intelligent video analytics. By synergizing Nvidia's most advanced AI platforms, Foxconn can supercharge their product offerings from EVs and robots to fully connected cities. But how will this boost Foxconn's business, and why partner with Nvidia? It allows Foxconn to move up the value chain beyond electronics assembly to provide end-to-end AI-driven systems. And Nvidia's specialized AI chips and software will give Foxconn a competitive edge. Additionally, Foxconn will construct these Nvidia-powered AI factories for their wide customer network. Companies can tap into these facilities to develop their own AI solutions tailored to their needs. By gaining access to Nvidia's GPUs, networking, and software, Foxconn's clients can build custom data factories optimized for AI workloads ranging from simulations to natural language processing. This will enable businesses big and small to reap the benefits of AI and data-driven decision-making. By leveraging Nvidia's cutting-edge platforms including Omniverse, Isaac, and Metropolis, Foxconn can optimize quality control and automation in electronics assembly, a field where microscopic tolerances and high throughput are critical. AI simulation in Omniverse will allow Foxconn to create digital twins of entire factory floors and fine-tune workflows before deployment. This virtual modeling can identify bottlenecks in advance, maximizing efficiency. Additionally, by tapping into the Isaac SDK, Foxconn can train and field its own fleets of autonomous mobile robots. With the ability to continuously optimize routes and tasks using AI, these nimble robots could greatly augment human workers. Foxconn could also employ Nvidia Metropolis for visual inspection, rapidly spotting defects in components and products rolling off assembly lines. The power of AI could propel Foxconn's manufacturing capabilities to new heights. As an auto manufacturer, Foxconn will produce critical components for smart cars based on Nvidia Drive, including the Drive Orin and Drive Thor platforms. Nvidia Drive Orin allows vehicles to integrate multiple sensors like cameras and radar for 360-degree perception and high-level autonomous driving capabilities. It can process hundreds of trillions of operations per second to enable real-time responsiveness and safety. Looking ahead, Foxconn will also manufacture Drive Thor-based electronic control units. Built with a new architecture for software-defined vehicles, Drive Thor brings unparalleled AI muscle to power next-gen autonomous driving fleets. This is why we believe we are on the cusp of a world enriched by data-driven intelligence. But the most exciting possibilities lie ahead as two tech powerhouses join forces to accelerate the art of the possible. Where will this partnership take us next on the road to the AI revolution? The possibilities are boundless. And be sure to subscribe to our channel AI Talks for more in-depth insights and discussions on what's happening in AI world.